Namaskar. I'm Amitabh Dashgupta, living in Kolkata. I'm working as a content developer in a leading software and website design and development company in Kolkata for more than a few years now. Due to extreme work pressure and other situations in life, I was not feeling well. Despite the best efforts for my end, I was unable to resolve things in favor of me. I was unable to keep my family happy and satisfied. And that made me feel poor. But things started changing in my favor when I came into contact with Vishwa Yoga and Guruji Yogibiswa in 2018. Guruji is not a mere yoga teacher or guru. Instead, he is a wellness and spiritual healer and guru, of course, who has come here to make people live happily and healthy. His concepts about human life are unique, and I believe his spiritual discourse has the power to keep you healthy and fit. His knowledge of traditional yoga has healed me and has been healing people from all over India. His disease-oriented yoga and spiritual discourses are just unique. I am much better now. I'm feeling good. My family is happy. And I strongly believe that people, wherever they are, they can get the blessings of Guruji and keep themselves happy and satisfied. I wish more and more people get the benefits of whatever Guruji has to deliver. So, come into contact with us and keep yourself happy and satisfied. Namaskar.